एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय अनदर न्यू जजमेंट। अगर चैनल पे नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें ताकि आपको आने वाली नोटिफिकेशंस मिलती रहे। यस, बी रेडी, 5 seconds। Start. This order shall dispose of a bunch of 6 appeals bearing ITA numbers 662, 663, 753 of 2008 filed by the Revenue and ITA numbers 835, 836 and 837 of 2008 filed by the person responsible for deduction of tax at source bracket start, hereinafter referred to as the assessee bracket close, arising from the order of the tribunal dated 25/6/2007, whereby the appeals of the revenue and the cross objections filed by the assessee were dismissed. Stop. For brevity, the facts are being extracted from ITA number 662 of 2008 filed by the revenue and ITA number 835 of 2008 preferred by the assessee relating to the assessment year 2003-4. Stop. These appeals have been preferred by the revenue and the assessee under section 260A of the Income Tax Act 1961 bracket start, in short the act bracket close, against the order dated 25/6/2007 passed by the Income Tax Appellate Tribunal, Delhi Bench H, New Delhi bracket start, hereinafter referred to as the tribunal bracket close, in ITA number 2384/D/2006 and cross objection number 283 within bracket Delhi /2006 relating to the assessment year 2003-4. Stop. In appeal numbers 662, 663 and 753 of 2008 filed by the revenue, the following substantial question of law has been raised. Stop. Whether on the facts and circumstances of the case the Honorable ITAT has erred in providing a different method of calculating the perquisite when the perquisite value calculated by the assessee was not disputed by the AO, and when the only grievance of the assessee against the order of ITO was regarding reduction of rupees 1000 per month. Stop. From the perquisite value claimed by the assessee question mark, the substantial question of law as claimed by the assessee in appeal numbers 835, 836 and 837 are as under. Stop. Within bracket 1, whether ITAT was justified in the eyes of law in disallowing the benefit to the assessee which has been provided to him under Rule 3 within bracket 5 of Income Tax Rules 1962 question mark, within bracket 2, whether ITAT was correct in law in passing the impugned judgment after the provisions of law provided under Rule 3 within bracket 5 of Income Tax Rules 1962 question mark, within bracket 3, whether it is correct in the eyes of law to levy the value of the perquisite which has been exempted under the law question mark, within bracket 4, whether ITAT was correct in law in considering the cost of education of the wards of the employees equal to the price of education charged from the students of the school bracket start, which includes other expenses bracket close, in or the nearby vicinity under the provisions of law under Rule 3 within bracket 5 of Income Tax Rules 1962 question mark, within bracket 5, whether ITAT was justified in the eyes of law to impose tax on the value of the perquisites in the hands of the assessee when the said value shall be determined with reference to the cost of the education of his ward in a similar institution in or nearby vicinity, and the cost of such education is less than rupees 1000 and therefore exempted by the proviso to Rule 3 within bracket 5 of Income Tax Rules 1962 question mark. Stop. briefly stated, the facts necessary for adjudication as narrated in the appeal are that the assessee is running a public school and was liable to deduct tax at source from salary and remuneration paid to its teaching staff. Stop. The person responsible bracket start the assessee here in bracket close is the director of the school who filed the return of salaries on 28/11/2003. Stop. At the time of checking of Form 12BA annexed along with Form number 16 relating to various employees, it was found that the assessee had been providing free concessional educational facilities to the ward of the teachers and other staff members of the school. Stop. However, while calculating the amount of perquisite taxable in the hands of teachers staff qua free concessional educational facilities providing to their wards, the assessee had been allowing a deduction of rupees 1000 per month per child from the total amount of educational facilities provided free of cost to them. Stop. The assessing officer held that the assessee had wrongly allowed a deduction of rupees 1000 per month per child while calculating the amount of taxable perquisite and added an amount of rupees 12,000 per annum per child to the value of perquisites on account of free educational facilities provided to the wards of the employees staff of the school and calculated short deduction to that extent and treated the assessee to be in default. Stop. The assessing officer also charged interest. Stop. Accordingly, during the assessment year 2003-4, the demand was raised at rupees 3 lakh. Stop. Stanza.